This is problem 1 in our review of confidence intervals. Suppose a retailer claims that the average wait time for a customer on its support line is 191 seconds. A random sample of 46 customers had an average wait time of 180 seconds. Assume the population standard deviation for wait time is 51 seconds. Using a 95% confidence interval, does this sample support the retailer's claim? So what we're going to do is they're claiming it's 191, and we're going to use the sample to figure out whether it's not equal to 191. So what we're going to do is construct a confidence interval to start with. And so since we're doing a confidence interval for the average wait time, the mean, we're going to do stat, and we're going to do z-stat or t-stats. But if you'll notice, it says assume the population standard deviation is 51 seconds. So if we know the population standard deviation sigma, we're going to use z statistics. This is one sample, and we have the summary data. So stat, z-stats, one sample with summary. We're going to enter the summary data that we have. All right, so the mean that we witnessed, the sample mean, was 180 seconds. The standard deviation, which we assume that we know, the population standard deviation, is 51. And the sample size, there were 46 customers sampled. Here we're doing constructing a confidence interval, and the confidence interval should be a 95% confidence level, so that's already chosen. So I am going to compute. And so in this table, they have given me the lower limit and the upper limit. Now I'm either going to answer yes or no. And so if I look at this, they claim it's 191 seconds. So since 191 is in that interval, I cannot dispute their claim. And so 191 being in the interval seems to support what they're saying. So using 95% confidence interval, does this sample support the retailer's claim? Yes, in the sense that we can't refute it. So yes, because the claim of 191 is between the two endpoints, so we need to put the two endpoints in there, rounded to 2 decimal places. So this is 165.26 seconds with an upper limit of 194.74 seconds. So here we constructed a confidence interval for the mean when we knew sigma. That's why we use the z statistics. I hope this helps.